Hey guys, today we're going to be working on a Lincoln Navigator, a truck. We're going to be working on it today to put the switch bar link, which is this is the part right here, which is the one again right here to help you to steer the wheel very nicely. This one actually went bad, like I had to cut it up. This is how bad it was. So there's nothing to show you because I cut it off from there first. And I'm gonna tell you, if you order it from, you can order it from AutoZone or Advanced Auto. I ordered this one from Advanced Auto. So it came out like this. So when it comes like that, you can just put it together easy like this. You put the first one. They're gonna come full with full washer. So each one go like this first. When the first one go in like that, then the second one will come like this. Just how I'm building it, that's how I'm gonna put it on the car. It's gonna come off just like that, like you can see. Then after like that, then you take this one, you put it in like this, and take this one. It don't come with washer in there, but I don't want to put it in there. This one not gonna come like this, but I put it in there. So you hold it like that and tie it. So that's how I showed you put it together. So on the car, that's how you're gonna put it like that on the car. But I'm gonna show you this easy step how to follow just what I did right there. So if you can take a look, so I'm gonna take it from the part like this. When I take it from the back, one gonna stay on it, which is the first one. Then it's gonna go like that. You can see it in there. Then the second one will be this one and go in just like that. And we're waiting now for the third one. So before we do that, we have to get help because it's just I alone. So I'm gonna put it like this. After putting it, and put this one in. After I put that one in, that one gonna be the last. Let me put it on the floor. So then this one gonna be the next. So the next, I put it like that and get help from a oldest brother. That's my oldest brother and my friend. So I do it like that and set it all right there very nicely. Then you push it down. You push the bolt down. If you take it down, then you go under it like this. You're going to just go under and put the last one on it and tie it. Like you can see right there. Yeah. Then now you're gonna get help. Right now, you take 14. You put it on it. A 14mm solder. After you put a 14 right there, then put in the 14. Let me take the extension off. Let me just leave it exactly like that. Yeah, put it on it. Then you take 16 and go to the bottom, which I'm gonna get help on the impact gun. Then I will just go to the bottom. Oh shit, something went wrong, guys. The phone fell. Yeah. Okay, you're gonna go to the bottom, like I said. Yeah, the phone fell. I'm actually recording on my phone, so I'm sorry for that, guys. But we back again. Yeah. Get how to try to get something good, man. Right here. I'm using my phone to do the recording. So, okay. Let me go back again. I hope everything's set right. Yeah. Then we come another car. Like I said to you, I'm gonna use the impact gun so that we can get help to go to the next one. So we're gonna hold it and get tied. Tie enough. You have to tie. Don't be scared to tie. Because if you don't tie, it's gonna be bad for you. So I will advise you to really tie enough. So that's it right there. You put the first one, and we're done with that side. And we go to the other side again so that we can see the same thing that I was telling you about. You follow the same step and come up and put the same one right there. So if you do it like that, yeah, you're gonna be done. So that's how my today works. Once you get done with it, and just put everything back like that. So I can say we're done with the first one. So after doing it, you put your tire back on it. Yeah, you're done. It's easier, but I will tell you, man, I'm begging you guys, if you're doing this, make sure you use the proper tools. Meaning, get the real one and put it in just how it is, like that. One is facing up, one facing down. Then you come up to the bottom again, do the same thing, one facing down, the one to the bottom facing up. So if you do it that way, at least they're gonna help you to make for your steering to stay up very nice. That's how the switch by lane. This car is a big truck. This one, this is the tower, so the other tower, the inner tower, it don't looking like a little car. So this one is a switch by lane. That's what helps the wheel to steer very good. Thanks for watching. I hope this is gonna help you. If it help you, just go down and give me the thumb up. I'm sorry, I don't want anything down. I want you to subscribe, please, to help me so that I can do more of these things.